how to turn on or turn off Samsung Keyboard Predictive Text on the Samsung Galaxy A15. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Then swipe down at the top to open up quick settings. In here, tap on the settings icon. Then we scroll down and tap on General Management. After that, we go down and tap on Samsung Keyboard Settings. Next, go down to the Smart Typing section and tap on Predictive Text. So tap on that toggle button to turn it off or switch it on. After that, you can tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Now if I bring up my keyboard, I can type in something, and here it will give me a suggestions of words I can use. So I close that. So here you can see if I put in something like impart, it will say impress, impart, impatience. So we suggest a list of words that you could use. If you find something that you want, you can just tap on it. So that is the predictive text features. So if I switch it off, and if I bring up my keyboard, you can see it does not shows predictive text at the top here when I switch it off. Yeah, I will switch it back on, and the keyboard is now refreshed. And when I type in something, it will suggest words that I could use. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.